beautiful bake. Isn't this? This is our Christmas. Got this beautiful tongue from the veal, and I cooked it here with some orange, with some lemon and some onions in a lovely stock. You cook it for 1 hour, then you just can peel off this layer. Just cut away this meat here. See, we go all over here. Now we're gonna cut this lovely tongue, see, and it's very moist, and we make really lovely, like small slices. We present it like this, a little bit of our lovely sauce on of it. Okay, just filled them and we roll it a little bit, and we gonna put it inside of our lovely pastete, and then we just put a little bit of the sauce on top of it, and of course it's Christmas, we go for some caviar and a little bit of dill. Now it's salad time. We've got the famous potato salad, and we've got a cucumber salad, and we've got some coleslaw, and then we've got the beautiful bacon going on here. And what we do, we just put the lettuce on top of this, okay, and have this beautiful, beautiful bacon going on over here, and we top it with a little bit of our dressing. So now we've got a fish course, beautiful fish dumplings, and here we've got this lovely sauce going on, and the spinach, and there we've got our fillet, and I put a little bit of the lemon pepper on it, and I salted it, and now we put it into some flour. Just dip it in here, and we put it inside here. We put it inside here. Okay, let's do our dish. Put some of the spinach here, gently. Oh, beautiful. That's how we like it. And you know, just press it a little bit. And here we go with our dumplings. And we just put them over the spinach. Beautiful. And here, our lovely sauce. Just a hint, a little splash on it, and you just put it to the side and let it rest here a little bit. We garnish a little bit with dill and of course some fresh nutmeg. Last but not least, our beautiful fish. Look, that's how we like it. And even a little bit crispy here. And look, isn't this lovely how they fall apart? And we've got the spare ribs, and we put this lovely barbecue sauce on it. Just glaze it. The pomme duchesse, and they also go in. Here, we've got a lovely goulash, but I made big, big cubes. And there, we've got from the veal, I don't know how to call it, in the face, some part of the face, and they will go into the hot oil. Beans with bacon. Now we go all in with our roses. dessert time. So look, these are our tart au grain brulee with the ganache and some cranberries and some macadamia. Okay, and we've got this red wine mousse, and we just take a pinch out of it and place it on top of it. We're gonna cut this gorgeousness, and look at that beauty. Look, crème au brulee, ganache, cranberries. Oh, this is a dream.